Hello family, I am back again with another delicious recipe. On today's episode, we're going to take the traditional lasagna and we're going to roll them up into something delicious. So we're going to make lasagna roll-ups. Yes, it is meaty, cheesy, saucy, and packed with flavor. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back to my kitchen creations. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Over medium heat in a large pot, add Jimmy Dean sausage and your ground beef. Yes, you're gonna have to trust the process on the breakfast sausage. The breakfast sausage is going to give this lasagna so much flavor. Yes, you can use Italian sausage for this recipe, but I do recommend the Jimmy Dean sausage. It is so good in this recipe and I only came across it by accident. So trust me. Try this recipe and you're going to love it. Just make sure you just break up the meat and allow it to cook until it is no longer pink. Now that your meat is no longer pink, go in with your onion. Add your garlic. Season with Slap Your Mama seasoning, adobo seasoning, and Italian seasoning. Now give that a good stir and allow the onions to soften. Now that our onion is softened, we're going in with our favorite marinara sauce. Pour that right in here. Turn your heat temperature down too low because we're going to simmer this for about 10 minutes while we cook our pasta. Okay, now for the pasta, I'm just going to follow the instructions on the package. I like to add some oil to the water after it had come to a boil, then add in my pasta. While the pasta is cooking, add your ricotta cheese into a large bowl. Add 1 egg. Add your spinach. Add your shredded mozzarella cheese. Add your grated parmesan cheese. Now give that a good mix. This is how it's looking after you are done mixing everything together. So now we can set this aside. After 10 minutes, this is how my sauce is looking. It looks so delicious. Now is the time to give it a taste to see if it needs any additional seasoning. That's good. Mine doesn't need any additional seasoning, but if yours does, add in your spices to it and then simmer for another 5 minutes. Once our pasta is al dente, go ahead and drain that water. This can get a little messy. I like to use a cookie sheet for this part. Grab your pasta and just lay them flat. Take your ricotta cheese and spread it on your pasta, just like so. After adding in your ricotta cheese, go in with your meat sauce. After adding the meat sauce, go ahead and roll them up. Now continue this process with the remainder of noodles. Now take your baking dish and take some of that meat sauce and spread that on the bottom of the dish. And this will prevent the pasta from sticking to the bottom. Now transfer your rolls to the baking dish. The rest of your sauce and add it on top. Now take the rest of your cheese and cover the lasagna. Now grab some tin foil and cover your lasagna. Make sure you preheat your oven to 375 degrees and place it in the center rack and bake for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, remove the foil and turn the boiler on, and we're going to set the timer for about 2 minutes. or until it is nice and golden. So my lasagna roll-ups are ready, guys, and I am ready to dig in. Oh, look at the cheese. Oh yeah. It's just so delicious, guys. Perfect every time. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.